There, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this 5D diamond painting kit that I got sent out for review. This is a gem art for any kids out there that they love puzzles or they love crafts. So this one is like amazing for them. Besides, it's really affordable and it looks really, really cute once that they are finished. So this is really cool because it includes everything you need to start working on this craft. It includes the scissors, the glue, the tray where you will be putting all the gems, and of course girls love the gems and brighter things, so these will be very, very nice for any girl present, for birthday present or for Christmas present, and they will keep them busy for sure. So these are the gems and they come in different packages numbered, and the princess in this case, that this doll picture has in each of the dots, it has the number of gem that you will be using, and these will be the form that you will be doing like the craft and putting all the gems in these little doll. Okay, once that you have these covered, and you will be putting all the gems according to the colors, according to the numbers. As you can see, they are numbered, and once that your girl is done with them, it will look amazing. This is the end result. Of course, it takes a little bit of time and concentration and focus to do this, and this is how it's our final result on this kit craft for girls. It really looks amazing, and it has all the gems on it.